repurposing a discarded box using fabric and Mod Podge. Many times Walmart and fabric stores will have excess scrap fabric at discounted prices, and this one was less than a quarter. And I ironed the fabric before I did this to remove the wrinkles. Here I'm just using some scissors to cut off the folded tabs. I'm spreading Mod Podge over the box with a sponge, and this will also work with just regular old Elmer's school glue. And here I'm just folding about 1/2 inch over the side and using push pins to hold the fabric in place while the glue dries. I couldn't find my hot glue gun at this point, otherwise I could have totally glued the edges with hot glue gun instead of using the push pins. And I'm just repeating on each side. After all the sides have been glued down, I'm cutting off the excess fabric. To finish off the edge, I'll fold the fabric over with glue and use the push pins to hold it in place until it dries. To add some stability to the bottom, I just cut out some foam board and glued that to the bottom. Mod Podge is also a great sealant, so I'm just spreading it over to seal the fabric down on the bottom of the box. Using some burlap ribbon and some extra fabric, I will form a bow just for a little added decoration. And at this point, I found my hot glue gun, so I was able to glue the bow together. One last finishing touch, you can never go wrong with a little bling, so I added that to the center of the bow. And just using a dollop of hot glue, I'll place the bow to the center near the top of the box. Now for the inside of the box, I just simply tucked the fabric on the inside. You could totally glue it, but this is just going to be a casual box to hold soaps and lotions, so it just works being tucked in. And I have another example of another box I made, just a little bit bigger, and I did glue the inside here. Bling and another bow. These next boxes I'll show you, I made those from scratch using foam board. I just cut out 6 pieces, glued those together, put some fabric on, and added some nail head trim. Thanks for watching.